Hey guys, Brad with Legendary Auto Salon. Today, I just wanted to do a little time lapse of an installation of paint protection film on a beautiful Tesla Model Y we did. A lot of times people they're still kind of learning what goes into the process of installation of paint protection film and why it takes so long and why the price is what the price is. And if you want a really high quality, near perfect install, something that we really showcase here at Legendary Auto Salon, it takes some time. So you'll see it takes some time even to just do me doing the fender, and it's kind of like window tint on the outside of the car. It's a really challenging trade. So if this content is something that you like, take a look at it, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to work on making some more content featuring installations. Or if there's something that you guys want to see, something you want us on our channel, drop a comment in the comments below. All right, guys, Brad, Legendary Auto Salon, let's transform your car into its best version. Have a great day.